In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell online memberships with Payhip. If you want to create a recurring membership offer and start selling it through Payhip, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the setup in a simple, clear way so you can get your membership product created quickly and confidently. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and arts and overall account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place and that your account is ready to use. Starting from the dashboard helps you access everything you need from one central location. From there, click on Products. This section is where all of your existing items are listed, and it's also where you can create something new. If you already sell digital products, courses, or other offers, you'll likely see them here. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on memberships, so the next step is to create a new product. Now, click on Add New Product. This opens the product creation options and lets you choose the type of product you want to sell. Payhip supports different formats, so it's important to select the option that matches your business model. Since we're setting up recurring access for members, you'll want to choose the membership option rather than a one-time product. Next, click on Membership. This tells Payhip that you're creating a subscription-style product, which is ideal if you plan to offer ongoing content, exclusive access, a community, downloadable resources, or any other member-only benefits over time. Choosing the correct product type here is important because it affects how your customers will subscribe and how your offer is managed inside Payhip. After that, enter your membership title. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive because this is one of the first things potential members will notice. A good title should instantly communicate what the membership is about and help customers understand the value they'll receive. Keep it simple, professional, and easy to recognize. Once your title is entered, click on Add Membership. This creates the membership product and moves you into the next stage of setting it up inside Payhip. From there, you'll be able to continue customizing your membership details based on your goals and what you want to offer subscribers. And that's the basic process for getting started with selling online memberships in Payhip. As you go through setup, remember to keep your product organized and clearly named so it's easy for both you and your customers to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.